How's it going, everybody? Got one more box, 2016 Topps Tribute Baseball. Go ahead and rip into this here. So far, I've liked Tribute with my first box. Got an awesome Randy Johnson Super Refractor, so that was great. Got me inspired to go get another one. And also got a sick Kershaw patch, and I believe Kenley Jansen as well. So, yeah, I'll try one more of these here. See how I do. Do like Topps Tribute overall. Every year I usually try some, except for the last year because they butchered it and then they re-released it as like some case type box which had all the hits in it, but I really wasn't that into trying it at the time. Alright, so we got 6 packs here. Looks like they're already split up into 3s, so let's go into these right now. Get this set up. Wish me luck. Tribute's always fun. Alright, flip it around. Try not to look at the cards because of the way they collate them. Alright, so we got JD Martinez. Super shiny. Get my cards set up here, put these down. Behind that, Michael Brantley. And behind that is number 51 of 196. Nice, Jim Palmer. Awesome. Love old timers, Hall of Famers. Actually, wouldn't call him an old timer, but older relic I do like. That is awesome. Nice first hit there. Let's go to this side. Pack number 2. Don't like how I have to flip this like this and maybe see what the hit is, but I'm trying not to look. You guys might see it before I do. Nice D. Gordon. Well, actually, I don't know if he's nice anymore. The card looks nice, though. Bruce Sutter. And the hit. 30 of 50. Nice. Jeff Bagwell relic. That's cool. Always dig retired guys. Baggy. Next pack. This one's kind of stuck. Do a little flipperino. Alright, we got McCutcheon. Nice Sandy Koufax. Always like Koufax. And we got to 199, 88 of 199. Corey Seager. Yeah. Always happy pulling a Seager. Nice PC hit there. I do not believe I have one of his standard relics, and I just bought the numbered 25 version. Awesome. Yeah, it's great. So far, great box. I like it already, and I haven't gotten any autos yet. So those are the 3 relics. This one feels really, I don't know if that's thicker or normal. Let's open it. Pack number 4. Alright, got David Price, Doc Gooden, and auto of somebody from the Cardinals, Piscotty, 18 of 25. Nice hit there. It's a cool looking card. Nice box so far. This one seems thicker too. This one seems really thin. I wonder if that's a redemption. Let's go to this one. This one seems pretty thick. Alright. Flip. Alright, we got Adam Jones. Mark Teixeira. And the second auto. Oh, nice. Ricky Henderson. 6 of 50. Sick box right here. Already a winner, in my opinion, with the relics. I mean, you know, not worth a whole lot, I don't think, but this is awesome. I mean, Ricky Henderson's worth a lot more. That's all good. Here we go. Last pack, and it is a redemption. I ordered right on that. Flip. Ooh, nice. Chris Bryant, 299, 81 of 99. Nice. Matt Carpenter. Flip it. Wow, what a sick box. This is a great box. And the redemption is Tribute Auto, Michael Conforto. Nice. Got some really nice rookies in this box. Well, I don't think he's a rookie anymore. Nice Chris Bryant parallel here. Green. 81 of 99. Sweet ace. Ricky Henderson. That is awesome. Got a nice Piscotty here. Sorry, none of these are for trade or for sale, especially these Dodgers. Nice Seager. I keep pretty much everything that I pull, so don't bother asking. No offense. Nice Josh Bagwell. Josh Bagwell. Jeff Bagwell. Nice black relic there. And an awesome Jim Palmer. Very cool. Super happy with this box. I would say that's a success in my book. Not a stinker box, so that's great. Awesome. Thanks for watching this second box of 2016 Topps Tribute Baseball. Catch you all later. Peace.